I just checked in at the Holiday Beach Hotel in Da Nang. I got my room card and I'm staying on the 9th floor. Let's have a look at my room. I'm staying in a junior suite with an ocean view. Look at this amazing view. You have this sitting area here. You can watch the waves and the beach of Da Nang. It's fantastic. We're here on the 9th floor and the view is absolutely incredible. The main street is down there, but it's really not loud. You can't hear the traffic, no noise. So pretty cool place to relax. And it's also cool because when you lay in the double bed, you also have this beach view. So imagine waking up and looking at the waves, at the ocean. I also really like the bathroom. It has a bathtub that I will try for sure. And yeah, all the amenities that you would expect from a 5-star hotel. It's not the biggest room, but it's absolutely fine because you're next to the beach. So probably you won't spend a whole lot of time in here. But what makes it really unique and nice is the view from the bed and from the sitting area. So that for sure is the unique selling point. Now let's check out the rooftop pool. I think they have one. And there's a pool on the first level as well. So I'm gonna take you there now. So this is the outside swimming pool at the Holiday Beach Hotel in Da Nang. There's different kinds of sunbeds, so really a lot of space for everyone. They even have a pool bar, which is pretty cool. Imagine, picture yourself swimming in the water, swimming towards the bar, and then you can drink your favorite cocktail inside the pool. It also looks amazing at night when it's nicely illuminated. I'm gonna show you a video later on as well. And yeah, just a fantastic place to relax. You have the beach on the other side of the street and here the pool. So that are decisions you have to make on your vacation. So another important part of every hotel stay, of course, is the food and the breakfast. So let's have a look what they have to offer at the Holiday Beach Hotel in Da Nang. So that's the breakfast room on the first floor. Good morning. Good morning. That's the breakfast buffet. Different kinds of breads and sweets. They prepare fresh eggs.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, can I please get a omelette with everything?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
For you.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Alright guys, it's time to go to that beach over there. So just going downstairs, crossing this road, and then I'm at the beach already. And I think the hotel has a private beach or like at least sunbeds to rent. So let's go. Alright guys, here we are at the beach in Da Nang. They also have sunbeds here. So that's a really beautiful beach and perfect weather today. Sunny, finally warm. And I'm gonna spend the whole afternoon just relaxing here and doing nothing. And if you turn back on the other side of the street, That's where the hotel is located. The hotel offers afternoon tea every day between 2 and 4 p.m. So you have different kinds of snacks, fried spring rolls, pizza, fresh fruits, juices, of course, Vietnamese coffee and tea. So yeah, pretty cool. The Holiday Beach Hotel in Da Nang also has a pretty nice gym. Yeah, it's well equipped, different kinds of machines, weights and cardio machines, and you have a nice view of the beach area. So yeah, no excuse not to work out. So this is the spa area of the Holiday Beach Hotel in Da Nang, and every day guests get 30 minutes of free sauna and steam room. So that's the steam room. It's not turned on yet. You have to call beforehand so they can prepare it. And on the other side over here, we have the sauna. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try both the steam room and sauna later on for sure. And you can also book massage treatments here. So they have all kind of treatment rooms. Yeah. So this is the beach bar at the Holiday Beach Hotel in Da Nang, and it's a very nice place. I like that it's so nicely illuminated, and yeah, sitting on the beach with your toes in the sand just hits differently. A cool place to have a drink, listen to the waves, and have some good conversations with friends. You can order drinks here and also food and listen to the music as well. Just very peaceful, and yeah, the hotel on the other side of the street. And I'm back from the beach, the sun has set, and look at this amazing outdoor pool. It looks so nice at night, nicely illuminated. I kind of want to jump into this water, but I think it's quite cold, but definitely a cool place to hang out also at night.